Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Atchison at StampAbove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today for my Wait What? Tip video, I'm going to be sharing a really cool tip using these images that emboss and die cut at the same time. I found this out from another demonstrator and I've been using it constantly and I think you're gonna love it. So let's flip this camera around so I can show you what I'm talking about. I have already die cut these 3 leaf images. These are from the Gathered Leaves dies. I've already die cut these 3 images and I used Cajun Craze, Old Olive, and Crushed Curry. So these are very pretty. You can see the detail in them, but there's something you can do to these that makes them even cooler. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spritzer and I'm going to spritz my cardstock. Hang on, I'm going to grab my big shot. Bring that in here right away. We're going to spritz our cardstock and then you can see it's wet here. Then we are going to die cut these dies that die cut and emboss at the same time. So I'm going to put this right in here. We're going to do the same thing to the Crushed Curry and the Old Olive. And you're like, Kelly, have you lost your mind? Nope. Wait till you see this. This is so cool. Get our top plate in here. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. There's no any behind the scenes things going on. Not that I really ever do that, but I just want you to know that all I'm doing is die cutting these leaves with some spritzed paper, and I'm using water to spritz the paper. Oops, let me get this out of your way. Okay, here comes our dies. I like to drop these to get those out of there. And then this is what they look like. Can you see how much darker? Let me get some good light in here. This is pretty, but this is prettier. It looks like you've used ink in your die. And while you certainly could ink this up and then die cut with it, this is a lot less messy with just water. Now, one of the only things I want to tell you is you want to do this ahead of time. And I always just drop these and this will make your paper come out. I always like to just take these and drop them. That'll make the paper come out. And I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself, but I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb and somebody just called me and that makes my video stop. So here is the one without water and here's the one with water. Again, here's the one with water and without water. And then we've got the Old Olive without water and with water. Which ones do you like better? I love the ones with the water. Now, the one thing I was going to tell you is you want to let these dry because adhesives don't like to stick to damp cardstock. So I would do this first if I was making a card and allow them to dry before I stick some mini glue dots or dimensionals or glue or whatever you're going to use to adhere these to your cards. And that is my fantastic tip today. Now, what am I going to do with these leaves? Well, that's for Friday. Friday, the Totally Technique design team is featuring a technique called whitewash. And I've got 2 beautiful cards made to share with you using the leaves that I am doing for this video. So if you would like to come back and join me on Friday, you're going to find a video on whitewashing and also a blog hop where everybody on the design team are making cards using the whitewashing technique. I think you're going to love it. I've seen a preview of some of the cards that are made and they are stunning. So make sure you come back on Friday. Click down here to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. Also, if you would like to place an order for spritzers or dies or stamps or any products that I carry, you can head right over to my blog. There's going to be an online ordering button in the right-hand column. Click on that. You're going to use this host code if your order is under $150. If it's over $150, do not use the host code. You're going to get some rewards from Stampin' Up, and I definitely want you to have those. So make sure you head over to my blog. You want to watch for Friday afternoon, 3 p.m. Central Time is when the video is going to come out on the whitewashing. And if you want to click right up here, that'll take you to my blog right now. You can see tons and tons of projects and video tutorials on there as well. Don't forget, every Wednesday I share a joke of the week that's also posted with my blog post for my Wednesday tip video. Today I've got a cute little Halloween joke for you, sure to give you a little giggle. Click up here to head over there right now. You'll find the joke and links for any products that I've used to make this video. And then Friday, Totally Techniques Blog Hop. Thank you guys so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend with me. Have a wonderful hump day. Bye-bye. And make sure you watch for my next online class coming out next month. I do one every month. And we'll see what I come up with. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.